Tears welled up in Leo's eyes as he watched the bullies run off, laughing.
His homework, the project he'd spent all week on, was scattered in pieces across the muddy ground.
He sank to his knees, his small shoulders shaking. It felt like his world was crumbling. Just then, a wet nose nudged his hand. It was Max, his golden retriever, whining softly as if he understood everything.
Max then did something amazing.
He started gently picking up the soggy scraps of paper, one by one, his tail giving a hopeful wag.
He'd bring each piece back to Leo, dropping it carefully into his lap. Leo watched, a small smile breaking through his tears. His homework was ruined, but his heart was full.
Sometimes the best friends don't need words to heal a broken heart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.